Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 914 Safari and this is by Hot Wheels from the Thrill Climber series. This is the second one out of 5 in this particular set and I bought this for 514. That is the reduced MRP now. So don't buy it for more than MRP. Even if you are buying for more than this MRP, buy it for 549 but not more than that. So this is the second one as I mentioned. So let's unbox this. So here is the card art. It actually features the entire car. That is really good, and the card art looks really nice. So let me put this away now. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box the casting looks really nice, and it has headlight detailing here, and all the light detailing here all are like painted. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is also metal, and okay, let me see if this is. Okay, so this piece inside here, that's tire and everything, that is plastic, but this part here, that fuel can here, that is actually metal. I don't know why why they kept this as metal and this as plastic. And on the roof, that everything is metal. So these are things, like one casting and they just painted on top of everything. That honestly looks ugly. They could have just, I know it's for cost cutting they're doing that, but honestly that looks really ugly. So it has tail light detailing to it, and you can see the exhaust detailing here. So it's a full metal casting, no chassis detailing here. So it has rubber tires. That tires are actually threaded. You can see the wiper detailing here. That looks really nice, and it does have some interior detailing to it. Let me try to show you guys. Okay, see they give an acrylic piece here. Okay, some paint can. They give an acrylic piece here. That is actually an acrylic piece. They painted on top of that. I think that is supposed to be a light, if I'm not wrong. Uh, but they didn't give any acrylic headlight or anything. Typical Hot Wheels. Okay, so okay, again, I don't know what, I don't know. It is something like dot matrix paint system, something like that they do. I personally don't like that because it doesn't have that much of crispiness or the quality to it. It looks like, like, I don't know, someone printed and smeared it. That's how I actually feel about literally every Hot Wheels, especially the premium ones, because they literally have this exact printing method for all the premium ones. You can see here also. Okay, let me show you what I meant by, I don't like this particular type of printing method. Okay, so here is the McLaren we unboxed previously. This is from CCA. This looks absolutely amazing, and this costed only 400 rupees. If you guys just watching this video directly, so I'm just telling you this. So you can see the difference on the paint job here, right? See both are, this one has the Porsche livery, and okay, I don't know why it is focusing out. Okay, and you can see the McLaren P1 GTR's paint job there. You can see the difference, right? If you are not seeing the difference, then there is something wrong with you. Okay, so with that said, so let's weigh this casting. So these are Hot Wheels premium. It doesn't have any suspension or anything like that. 45 grams, not bad. So let's do a roll test now. It rolls really good. Yeah, it does roll really well. So even with the threaded tires, this actually rolls really well. That is really neat. Okay, let's rate this casting now. I'm giving it 10 out of 10 because it actually has all the detailing to it, and it is a full metal casting. So on that aspect, I'm giving it 10 out of 10. So on the quality aspect, if you want me to rate, if I am going to put that as a separate category for Hot Wheels moving forward, then I would say a 9.5 out of 10, because they could have made this as separate pieces instead of just, I mean, like that. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.